Big hello to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anchor Sanjay Potdar, and today I'm going to tell you something about the future. The future is all about virtual events, and in this video, I'm going to explain you what are the various types of virtual events and how we can do it. The current pandemic is definitely going to be staying at least with us for next 1 year, but we cannot delay the events which are very important, and this is the best way. It's a gift that we can do it virtually. Now there are many questions that people are asking, that what are the kind of various ways to do the virtual events. So I thought let's make a small video on that. So here we go. We can do any kind of virtual events, and let me tell you, I have done almost 150 plus virtual event in this current pandemic. It started with the basic event and now up to the 3D hybrid events. So first of all, let me tell you that we can do all kind of events, entertainment, engagement. You can do virtual team building, you can do conferences, you can do hybrid event, you can do exhibition booth kind of event where you have a conference, where you have exhibition booth, and yes, we can do festival based event as well. We can do conferences, we can do annual days, corporate get together, and many more things. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the video. First of all, let me tell you there are three kind of virtual event. First one, let's talk about the normal virtual event. There are many platforms in the market. The most popular is Zoom. So the host just can turn on a Zoom meeting, get all 100 participants supposed to the Zoom meeting where everyone can open their camera, they can talk. Host has a control to mute all, and he can take various activity based games. Basically, he can take many online games. There are many very interesting online games where only host has a control and everybody can see each other. He can engage them, he can make them dance, he can make them sing, he can play virtual games like escape room, virtual scavenger hunts, and there are many games. This is the first type, which is called normal virtual online game, where we don't need an extra setup. What we need is only a platform, a good internet at both the sides, and you just have to share the link and host will control everything. The second kind of event, little bit of advanced in virtual event, is called 2D hybrid event. Only the difference is we can use Zoom or we can use any other platform, but this kind of event is shot in a studio. Now what is studio? It's a kind of a stage which is made of green chroma screen where the host will stand or the performers will stand. Wherever the green stage is made, by using the chroma key effect, the green stage will be removed, and the designer stage, whatever design, however design you want, the client approves, the studio guys can insert that newly designed stage in that chroma instead of that green screen stage, and you can see the performer literally standing on like a real stage. The audience who is watching you will get a feeling like, yes, we are watching on a stage. That's the beauty of the hybrid event. This is called the basic hybrid 2D event. Only thing is, now the extra thing required is you need a Zoom, obviously the platform you need, but what you extra need is your studio, your green screen studio, your sound, and you need a software in between which can mix all the feeds together and can control what has to be shown on the Zoom. This software can be OBS, Open Broadcast Software, or it can be VMX. So there are professionals, and you cannot do this single-handedly. You need a team to do that, because the host will be on the stage and there will be one person who will be managing all the studio. And the third and the most advanced feature is called 3D online hybrid events. Now, as I told you, what is the more advanced here is this is mainly used where we have a requirement of a conference plus we have a requirement of exhibition booth, where the client says that I want a feel when the people log in to the software, they should feel like they're entering into a hotel. There should be eagle view, a helicopter view, a lobby. It should be lobby, it should be entrance, it should be reception. You should be able to see where is a lounge room, where is a networking room, where is the audience, where is the auditorium. Everything should be visible like a real. This is called a 3D hybrid event. Now here you need not only studio, but you need an extra software, extra product where you can project all this stuff like entrance lobby. You need to provide an eagle view of the hotel. You need to provide an auditorium. Now let me tell you what and how it happens. Once a person enters into this software, he get a feel like he's walking into the lobby for 5-star hotel. He can talk to the reception, he can see the auditorium, he can go to the network launch, and once he enters the auditorium, he will see a stage kind of where we can insert a hybrid stage, or the software can exactly throw whatever the feed is coming of the speaker. So that totally depends. You want to go for the top class hybrid event, that could be with this virtual environment, 3D environment plus a studio environment. If you don't want a studio, then what you can do, you can directly feed from whatever Zoom is coming into this. This is called the 3D hybrid event. So you'll feel like you're sitting in the auditorium, you're watching the speakers, you're hearing them. And the moment you feel, you can go to exhibition booth, you can click on the exhibition booth, it will expand. There are televisions, they're watching the videos. You can click on the brochures, they will get downloaded on your PC, and there is a button which says talk with the executive. Once you click on it, that particular booth executive will be coming on screen and will be talking to you, trying to give you exactly a real feeling. This is called the high class of the virtual event, which is used in maximum cases where we have a conference and when we have the exhibition booth. Now let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I have hosted all these 3 kind of events, so that's why I'm just telling you based on the experience. These are the 3 top class notch virtual events where I hope I'm able to explain you each and everything in detail. So just pick up any type of event you want. Please contact your preferred event manager and we will be together doing this only for you. Don't delay events because we have a solution for you. Thank you so much.